Hello everyone, this is Anthony from OhmNohmNohm, Chiptune Tech, Will Work for Rice, and my anime podcast. Welcome to a tutorial video series showing you a bunch of neat custom instruments you can make in LSDj to make your songs sound dope AF. Disclaimer, these videos are a direct inspiration from LSDj guides on YouTube. I will be recreating all of LSDj Guides' videos on instruments he has gathered. Our next instrument will be a noise kick by jw86 from 8-Bit Collective. So since this is a noise instrument, we're going to navigate to the noise column. We're going to press A to lay down the value. We're going to hold down select and press right, and then we're going to press A to lay down the value. We're going to press and hold select and press right. And for this, we're going to go for a 4x4. So we're going to lay down notes at 0, 4, 8, and Charlie. So we're going to lay down C3. So press A. And go down to 4, press A. Go down to 8, press A. Go down to Charlie, press A. Now to adjust the instrument parameters, we're going to have to go to the instrument screen. We're going to press and hold select and press right. We're going to go down to the type of instrument. Currently it's at pulse. We're not making a pulse instrument because we're in the noise channel. However, you can make some pretty cool sounding instruments by putting the wrong instrument in the wrong channel, and that's something my friend Bleeds does a lot, so try it out sometime if you're into it. We're going to press and hold A and press right until we get to noise. Now for our envelope, we want to change this to D2, so delta 2. I'm going to press and hold A and press up till we get to delta, and then I'm going to tap left until we get down to 2. So the loudness from in hexadecimal, 0 being the quietest, being like no sound, to F being the loudest. We're at D right now in terms of the loudness of the sound of the instrument when it starts off. So like the attack, I believe. And then 2 is just the length of the sound. For our length, which is more fine-tuning of it, we're going to switch from unlimited, and we're actually going to go to a value of 20. So I'm going to press and hold A and press right. I'm going to double tap it, or so press and hold A and then press the D-pad until you find what's going on. Apparently unlimited is at the very end of it, so press left and then you should be good. So I'm going to press until we get to value of 20. So pressing and holding A and tapping the D-pad until we get to 0. That sounds great. And for shape, we're going to go down and change it to delta 0. So I'm going to press and hold A, and then I'm going to press down until we get to D, or up until you get to D, and then pressing and holding A, we'll go to the right. Woo. There we go. Yeah, you just have to press left and right while holding A, and it changes the values. So here we change the envelope to delta 2, our length to 20, and our shape to delta 0. Now we're going to drop a table on this, so go down to table. Currently it's off. We're going to press A twice to drop a value down. We're going to press and hold select and press right to get to the table screen. Now here, we're going to be using the transpose column. What this does is you can set whatever the sound, what sound it's going to make. You can change where different parts of the sound come in on the sound, if that makes any sense. It's like if you want the end of the sound to come first, you could do that if you want. And it's something you should look up in the guide, because I'm not really good at describing it. I'll read the guide one day to you guys. Anyways, transpose column. We're on row 0, and we're highlighting 0, 0 on transpose. We want to set this to FF, so press and hold A. Let's try pressing up. Well, press down to get to F, press back and up to get to FF. There we go. Go down to row 1, and I pressed A and it dropped FF again. And then I'm going to go down to row 2, press A again, but holding A, I'm going to press left until I get to 6. Now hold select and back all the way out, and we're going to press start to see how this noise kick sounds. Nice. Has it like a crunch to it? It almost sounds like a bomb sound, but just not the full length of the bomb sound. But anyways, sweet. Okay. Anyways, that's it from me here at OhmNohmNohm. Next time, I'll show you guys another instrument. Okay, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.